Once again to Shabest Online Tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to provide a solution to this question on the board. And the question read, make t the subject of the formula in this equation. So we are going to start by solution. So the question is, we have s is equal to g over 2m then multiply by n square minus t square. And we are asked to make this t the subject of the formula. So the first thing we need to do is to multiply this numerator together. We are going to have s is equal to g multiplied by the whole of this. We are going to have g into the bracket of n square minus t square. Then all over 2m. So the next thing we are going to do is to cross multiply. And we know for easy cross multiplication, we can say this s over 1. Any number divided by 1 or variable is still that number. So s divided by 1 is still x. So we are going to cross multiply. 2m multiplied by s, we are going to have 2ms, which is equal to 1 multiplied by the whole of this. We are going to have g into n square minus t square. So the next thing we are going to do is to expand this bracket. We are going to have 2ms is equal to g multiplied by n square is going to give us g n square, then minus g multiplied by t square it will give us g t square. So remember, we are interested in making this t the subject of the formula. So let us make minus gt square the subject of the formula. When this minus cross to this side, it will change to positive. We have gt square, which is equal to, here in the right hand side we have g into n square. Then taking this to the other side of this equation, it will change to minus 2ms. So now we are going to divide through by g in order to cancel out this coefficient of t square. So we divide through by g here, then g, then also g here, so that this g can cancel this g. In the left hand side, we are left with only t square, which is equal to, look at g also can go with this g, so we are left with n square here, then minus 2ms over g, 2ms then over g. Remember, we are interested in making t the subject of the formula, not t square. So to cancel out this square, we are going to take the square root of both sides. So we are going to have square root of t square is equal to square root of n square minus 2ms over g. So that this square can cancel out the square root. So we are left with only t in the left hand side, which is equal to root of n square minus 2ms over g. So this is, we are successfully making t the subject of the formula in this equation. Thanks for watching, and please follow me for more, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.